Hi friend, this is my first time making a vlog. Okay, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhamad Harist. You can call me Harist, and I live in Karanganyar. I'm studying at Tunas University Development of Civil Engineering study program. In this vlog, I will discuss about drainage. I hope this video useful for you. Drainage is an inseparable component in development planning. This component must become a public infrastructure needed by enriched communities within a framework of a city that is comfortable, clean, and healthy. Drainage itself means to drain, dispose, or move the earth. So this drainage is made generally as a controller of water needs to repair and reduce mold, puddles, and fruits. The technique in this drainage system is by installing pipes that are used to irrigate and drain clean water from one source to various destinations. In addition to clean water, this drainage also provides wastewater to the proper disposal site in accordance with its function. In rural and undeveloped areas, drainage can usually form naturally as part of the hydrological cycle. This natural drainage continues to change constantly in accordance with the physical state of the surrounding environment. Whereas in urban areas, drainage is meant to drain water from rain and wastewater to avoid excessive inundation in a particular area. Drainage in urban areas are integrated in a drainage network and form an urban drainage system. This is because a city is divided into several interconnected regions. The existence of a drainage system in an area can provide various benefits, including 1. Increased comfort, beauty, and public health in residential areas and urban areas in general. 2. Recruiting excess water so that an area can function optimally and normally as it should. This is because the drainage system can reduce water discharge in area by being discharged to another place which is lower and not disturbing. 3. The quality of life of residents in the area is better and increases the peace of the whole community due to the absence of standing water, flooding, and irregular disposal of waste. 4. Minimum damage to existing roads and buildings in cities or in-house because drainage can control soil erosion. 5. By using certain drainage systems, drainage can also prevent groundwater pollution by liquid water discharge. Okay friends, so that's a little information about drainage for me. Best wishes. See you in the next vlog. Ini bisa kerjaan nggak?
Sorry bos.
2,000 years later. 6.5 hours later. A few inches later.
Hi friends, this is my first time making a vlog. Okay, I want to introduce my